Hello! Today I will show you how to draw an eye. First make a line like this, and then make two ovals in both sides. It should look like a lemon. Just making some tiny details. You can add some lines on the top of the eye and bottom. Now draw a small circle in the eye. Like this. Now draw a smaller circle in the big circle. And fill it black. And then add some lines. If you want, you can make the circle thick. After that, make the line a little thick and it should cover the eye a little. You can make the details thick also. Now for the eyelashes. From the inside it should be curved and for the outside straight. Mine was not that good, but team trying my best lol. The same for the upper part. And some short ones also. Something like this. You should draw the down part off the line thick. Like this. And then a little in the inside. And in the circle of the eyeball. Done. Thank you for watching. Bye.